Welcome to this math video. Today we're going to solve a problem about finding the area of cloth needed for a lampshade in the shape of a regular octagonal prism. Here's our problem. Miriam is designing a cloth lampshade in the shape of a regular octagonal prism, which will be open on both ends. The lampshade will be 20 centimeters long, and each side will be 80 millimeters wide. What area of cloth will she need? Let's start by visualizing what this lampshade looks like. It's a regular octagonal prism, which means it has 8 equal sides around its perimeter. The lampshade is 20 centimeters long, and each side of the octagon is 80 millimeters wide, which is equivalent to 8 centimeters. Also note that the lampshade is open on both ends. To find the area of cloth Miriam needs, we have to calculate the lateral surface area of the octagonal prism. If we were to unfold the prism and lay it flat, we'd have a net consisting of 8 rectangles. Each rectangle represents one side of the prism. To calculate the lateral surface area, we need to multiply the perimeter of the base by the height of the prism. First, let's find the perimeter of the octagon. Each side is 80 millimeters, which is 8 centimeters. Since there are 8 sides, the total perimeter is 8 times 8, which equals 64 centimeters. Now we can calculate the lateral surface area of the octagonal prism. We multiply the perimeter, which is 64 centimeters, by the height, which is 20 centimeters. This gives us 64 centimeters times 20 centimeters, which equals 1280 square centimeters. Remember, the problem states that the lampshade is open on both ends. This means we don't need to include the areas of the octagonal bases in our calculation. Therefore, the total area of cloth Miriam will need is exactly 1,280 square centimeters. In conclusion, Miriam will need 1280 square centimeters of cloth to make her octagonal prism lampshade.